Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my second subscription box for June and it is Lookfantastic. I'm going to be opening it up, having a look at the QR code to see if they've got any spoilers for the following month, giving you information about any variations. I do have a refer a friend code, which is exactly the same name as my channel, Diaryofabeautygeek, and that will entitle you to have a couple of pound off if you decide to subscribe. This video was sponsored by Lookfantastic. They kindly send me these boxes so I'm able to share and unbox for you. You'll find links to it down below in my description, as well as a link to their website and my other code, DiaryLF. So you'll find all information listed all down below in my description. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So the Lookfantastic subscription box then is an international subscription and it costs £15 a month. And inside you receive 6 beauty products. If you take out a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, then that brings down the cost. I believe if you take out a 12-month subscription, it brings the cost down to £13 a month. Yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. There's a little sneak peek. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook or even on here in the community tab, then you might have seen a spoiler for this already. A QR code, I'm just going to scan it. In every July beauty box, we'll receive a LMS Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter, 20 grams, and it's worth £10. So everyone will receive one of those. And they've got a new limited edition coming out. They bring out limited editions every other month roughly. And the new one is Ole Hendriksen. I'm really excited about this one. It looks some really great products in there. It contains 5 bestsellers, including a full-size Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturiser. It's going to be worth over £110. And if you subscribe to the subscription box, then you get 15% off as a subscriber. So yeah, flashy lights don't work well with my mobile, but as soon as this is released, then I'll post it up everywhere. so you'll get to see it that way as well. All right, let's see if we've got any variations then. Out of 6 products in the box, 2 of them have different variations. So I'll do those first. Starting off with one of the products I was really excited to receive, and I wasn't aware that there were variations, but I am really glad that I received this in the box. This is KVD, and this is a mascara. This is KVD Beauty Full Sleeve Long and Defined Tubing Mascara in black. Really pretty design. It's a lengthening and defining mascara that coats every lash with a clump-free, smudge-proof and flake-free wear. I haven't tried this before, so it's new to me. The wand is really different to anything I've ever used before as well, so no, I'm excited to give that a go. It features 24-hour tat tubing technology for pigmented colour that's easy to remove. So we got a KVD Beauty mascara there. So if you don't receive that one, you will receive Swede Beauty Lash Lift Mascara, again full size and exactly the same retail price of £22. It's a lightweight and buildable mascara infused with B5 to nourish your lashes and hold a curl that stays all day. There's the Swede Beauty one there. The second item also comes with a variation, but a variation from the same brand. We've got Murad, and I've got the Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. Brilliant. 5 mils. So glycolic acid serum uses patented antioxidant technologies to help prevent and correct the look of dark spots for a more even tone. It targets the dark spots that you can see, but also it targets the pigmentation that you can't see. Just put a little bit on my hand. There. It's just a nice lightweight serum. I have tried this in the past and I really liked it. So I am chuffed that I've got another one now, especially coming into the summer months. So if you don't receive the Dark Spot Correcting Serum, which is worth £14, you'll see a Vita C Glycolic Serum, which is worth £15. This vitamin C and glycolic acid serum helps improve the look of pigmentation and an uneven tone for brighter, healthier looking skin. So you'll get one of those too. And all the other products I'm about to show you, you'll all receive. We got a set of 2 puffs, and this is from Trigwell Cosmetics, and this is the Velvet Powder Puff. Full size, obviously, and it retails for £14.99. Achieve flawless, shine-free skin, crafted for precision. They seamlessly blend powder into your face. It creates a blurring effect. They're great for just application touch-ups, or if you're baking, they're just really, really nice and soft. And I've been using these for years, since I was a teenager. Not from this brand. I've been getting little circular ones. I've been using them for a long time, since I was a teenager. But over the last couple of years or so, it really become popular, and they're just an amazing beauty tool. They're just really great for all powders. So there's those. Now the next product, I haven't had one of these in a beauty box for a long time. This Works Perfect Legs Skin Miracle, a tinted multivitamin serum, caramel to prep, polish and glow. And there's 20 mils here. I remember trying this out from a beauty box. This is where we most often get the chance to try out products, obviously. And I fell in love with it. It is so, so good. I've got the full-size bottle behind me. It's about this big and it's about 40 odd pounds. I bought it last year and I've still got loads in there. It's just really quick and handy. I tend to use it if it's a really nice day and I want to wear like a shortish skirt or something. And my legs are really white, really, really white, and they show up loads of marks and stuff. Putting this on your legs or anywhere, I even use it on my chest as well. You're giving yourself a natural looking tan. Obviously you go to shower and it washes off. Hasn't got any fake tan in there. It just gives you that really nice glow, but it's like foundation for your skin without it being too thick or cakey, looking unnatural. You can build upon the colour as well. I just really, really like it. It's packed with vitamin C to improve the skin's tone. This 20ml costs £8. I'll just show you a little bit on my hand. As far as I'm aware, they only do this one shade. There, we've just got a little bit to show you. There, it feels so nice. It does feel really nice, and it's, even though I've got it on my hands there, it's easy to wash off as well, unlike some, but that'll take ages to wash off. Can you tell that was a tiny, tiny bit, but it's just given me a little bit of a glow, like some more warmer glow to my hand. Hopefully you can see there. But yeah, I tend to put about 2 layers for my legs anyway, and a little goes a long way. So there's that. Now the next item is a perfume. It's by Avent. We all know Avent is a hugely pricey brand. This is a travel size and it is worth £29.99, and I believe it's 10 mils. Yeah, 10 mils. It says Eau de Perfume and it's called Quintessential. It contains fresh florals, warm amber, zesty mandarin and sweet orange, and I do really like this one. I don't know how many fragrances from Avent I have tried before, because I've only ever tried them in beauty boxes. Maybe this is the only one I've ever tried. I don't know, but it is really nice. It's got praline, it's got pistachio, and it's also got vanilla as well. Now that I've sprayed it on my neck, I can smell lots of different smells. Oh, I'm used to sort of describing perfume, aren't I? Yeah, it's a nice one. I'm not sure if I would actually go out and buy the full size. Well, I know I wouldn't go out and buy the full size, so I appreciate it when I get little minis in beauty boxes, because if this is £30 for 10 mils, I don't know how much like a 100ml bottle would be. It's a nice little perfume anyway. Last item, we got something for your hair. This is by Kingsley, and this is Elasticizer Booster. It's a restoring conditioner. There's 20 mils here. So this is a little mini, and it is worth £2.50. It nourishes strands and restores shine with olive oil and chia seed extracts. The Elasticizer Booster can be used in 3 different ways. So it can be used as a conditioner after you shampoo. You can also layer it on top of your conditioner, particularly in drier areas like the ends of the hair, or it can be used as a mask. You can apply it to your hair, leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse off. So yeah, so we got a little 20ml travel size there. And those are all the products inside this month's Lookfantastic beauty box. So I'll just go through them all, giving a bit of a recap. We've got a KVD full sleeve tube-in mascara. And if you don't receive this, you'll receive a Swede Beauty mascara. Got a Murad Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. If you don't receive that, you will receive the Murad Vita C Glycolic Serum. We've got This Works Perfect Legs Skin Miracle. We've got Avent Quintessential Eau de Perfume. We've got Kingsley Elasticizer Booster. And we've got 2 powder puffs from Trigwell Cosmetics. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? I'm really chuffed with the KVD Beauty Mascara. Although I'm fussy with perfumes, I love receiving them, and it's a nice one as well, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, there's some new products for me to try, and there's some familiars as well, but overall I think it's quite a good box this month. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you going to be subscribing, or are you thinking shall I, shan't I? I'd love to know, so please comment down below, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.